You've been told that using animal fats is the only real way to season cast iron. You've heard that if you aren't using lard or tallow, you just aren't doing it right. But here's the truth. If you're not careful, you're inviting a rancid mess into your kitchen. And today, we're ending the debate. Whether you're team blue can or you're team bacon, you really just want the same thing. You want a rock hard finish. You want a cooking surface that lasts. And I'm gonna show you why animal fats are seasoning powerhouses. We're gonna bust the one massive myth running your pans. And I'll reveal the reason I still use Crisco. And by the end, you'll actually know which one fits your cooking style. But first, let's get some science out of the way so we can be on the same page. At the end of the day, polymerization is simple. And get this, science doesn't care where the fat came from. It could be from a pig, it could be from a cow, or it could be from a soybean. Once you hit that smoke point, the fat transforms. It bonds to the metal. It creates that hard ceramic-like surface that we all love. Using animal fats is 100% safe. It is incredibly effective. It's not dirty and it's not gross if you do it right. If you want to use what nature gave us, you have my full support. So if the science say they both work so well, why do I talk about Crisco so much? It isn't about the finish. It's about what happens when that pan goes in your cabinet. It comes down to one thing: shelf stability. Crisco is the best set it and forget it option. A lot of people don't use every piece of iron they own every single day. So for them, Crisco stays rock solid. Now, look at lard and tallow. They can provide a superior hardness. They give you that deep black finish that's really hard to beat. But we have to talk about the rancid risk. Imagine you season a pan with animal fat. Then you let it sit in a dark cabinet for 3 months. That organic fat can go south in a hurry. And that is where the blue can wins, my friend. But really, I want you to choose the best one that works for you. So now we need to have a little heart to heart. I see people online making this seasoning thing a ritual. They perform a 10-step process every single week. It's just exhausting watching it. Friend, we have to stop overcomplicating a piece of metal. You want to know why Grandma's pan always looks so good? It's because she used lard and she cooked in it every single day. The best seasoning on the planet isn't one that you buy. It is consistent use. Stop stressing the hype and stop worrying about the perfect oil. Just start cooking. You might be team bacon or you might be team Crisco. Either way, the goals are the same. We want to keep your cast iron ready for the next meal. And use what works for your lifestyle. And use what works in your kitchen. So let's settle this in the comments. Which team are you on? Are you sticking with animal fats or are you team blue can? Drop a comment below. Let's keep this conversation going. And keep seasoning, and God bless, my friend.